Why do news reports say, amid the chaos instead of during the chaos? Is amid just a fancy word for during? When should you use this formal-sounding preposition? In this chapter, we'll master amid, a literary time expression that adds sophistication and formality to your English. Welcome back to our Prepositions of Time series. We've completed everyday time expressions. Now we begin our final category, formal and literary prepositions. Today we'll learn amid, which means during, but in a more formal, literary way, especially used when describing challenging circumstances. Amid means during a period or a situation, just like during. But amid is formal and literary. It is often used for challenging situations such as chaos, crisis, controversy, or conflict. Think of it as placing an event in the middle of difficult or significant circumstances. For example, the company made changes amid the financial crisis. This means the changes happened during the crisis, but the word amid makes the situation sound more serious and formal. Here is the key difference between amid and during. During the meeting sounds neutral and conversational. Amid the meeting sounds formal and literary. They have the same meaning, but amid is usually used in news articles, reports, and formal writing rather than everyday conversation. Amid often appears with challenging situations such as chaos, crisis, controversy, conflict, uncertainty, or turmoil. These difficult circumstances form the background, and amid places events within that context. You will see amid very often in journalism. For example, the president resigned amid scandal. Markets fell amid fears of recession. Protests continued amid government crackdowns. Journalists use amid because it sounds formal and authoritative. Amid is also common in reports and formal writing. The company expanded amid tough competition. Progress was made amid budget constraints. Innovation flourished amid difficult circumstances. A common mistake is using amid in casual situations. For example, sentences like, I ate lunch amid the afternoon, or we talked amid the party sound unnatural. These situations are too ordinary for such a formal word. In everyday conversation, it is better to say during. Here is a simple memory trick. Think of amid as meaning in the middle of. If something happens in the middle of difficult or important circumstances, especially in formal writing, amid is the right word. Now let's look at some examples. The election took place amid widespread protests. This describes an election happening during civil unrest. The merger was completed amid economic uncertainty. This means the business decision happened during unstable economic conditions. The research was published amid controversy. This suggests the findings were released while people were debating or criticizing them. Hospitals operated at full capacity amid the pandemic. This shows normal operations continuing during a major crisis. The tech company launched its new phone amid fierce competition. This highlights the difficult market environment. Peace talks continued amid ongoing violence. This shows negotiations happening while conflict still continued. Trading continued amid market volatility. This means financial markets were unstable at the time. The celebration took place amid social tensions. This describes an event happening during a difficult social atmosphere. The tournament proceeded amid doping allegations. This shows a sports competition continuing during scandal. Communities maintained hope amid the devastation of war. This example sounds literary and historical, describing resilience during extremely difficult times. Let's recap the key points about amid. First, Amid means the same as during, but it is more formal. Second, it is often used with challenging situations such as crisis, chaos, controversy, or conflict. Third, it appears mainly in news writing, formal reports, and literature. To choose between amid and during, think about the situation. Use during for everyday conversation and ordinary events. Use amid for formal writing and serious circumstances. Common expressions include amid chaos, amid crisis, amid controversy, amid uncertainty, amid turmoil, amid tensions, amid fears, amid speculation, and amid concerns. Excellent progress. You now understand amid, a formal word used to describe events happening during serious or challenging situations. In the next chapter, we will learn AMIDST, which is simply another formal variation of the same word. Keep practicing and continue mastering English.